Hello guys, those who want to play here in badminton court guys, this is a brand new court here in Pulong Hills near in Sultan Center guys. Sa mga gustong maglaro dyan guys, 2.5 real 1 hour. Guys, na bago tong court at mapakasarap maglaro. Kompleto, may gym siya at merong shower, may bathroom guys. EPM lang ako kung gusto nyong maglaro. 2.5 real lang 1 hour. Makapag-exercise ka na para meron ka pang coach na meron pang magtuturo sa'yo guys. Napakaganda at malapit lang sa Sultan Center guys. Just enjoy, and physical fitness is number 1 for your healthy body. Guys, maglaro na kayo at sigurado guys, lalakas ang inyong katawan. God bless.